Hello everyone, Mr. Green Pump, your greenhouse infrastructure guru here. This video, number 15, is about making an effective box fan filter system for removing particles from the air. You may be wondering why a greenhouse guy would be making a video about box fans. See my video number 8 for information about using the box fan in the greenhouse. I have seen a bunch of YouTube videos about adding a filter to a box fan and calling it an air purifier. A HEPA filter is thick and with small pores, making it hard to get much air through it using a box fan. A box fan does not have captive airflow. What do I mean by this? Well, the fan blades do not have a shroud around them, so not much pressure or suction is developed. This is a fan shroud. You could put a piece of plywood in front of the box fan, blocking all airflow. Turn it on high and the motor would not even overheat because of all the air that goes around the blades. Yet, people think they can tape a HEPA filter to the front of a box fan and it will clean the air in a room. What is more practical and what I have designed for you here is a box fan filter system that will remove a large amount of the particles floating around in the air. These would be like dust particles, pet dander, and other items like lint will be collected. If you use this box fan filter along with a real air purifier, you will find that the expensive HEPA filter in the purifier will last a lot longer before you will need to replace it. The filters I use in this video are 20 inch by 20 inch by 1 inch and have a green color for the filter media. They are made by the Flanders Corporation, and Walmart sells these filters as a package of 4 for $3.62. The filters are held onto the back of the fan by a piece of fiberglass window screening. Take a look at this cutout drawing. You will need a piece of fiberglass window screening that measures 28 inches by 24 inches. The screening will not fray as all the lines are molded together. Cut the screening out as shown here. The filter and screen are held onto the back of the fan by using domino-sized ceramic magnets. You will need 7 of these magnets. These you can get at Harbor Freight Tools, and they're priced at 2 for $1. The package item number is 98406. This mounting system needs a metal body style box fan. Such as the Lasco fan shown here. Incidentally, here are all the specifications for this Lasco 20-inch box fan. On high speed, this fan uses 88 watts. To install and remove the filters, it is very easy as no tape is involved. Lay the fan face down. I use 2 of these filters as shown here. Place the filters onto the back of the fan. Ignore the airflow arrows, as the fan grill will hold the filter media quite well. Center the screen over the filters and secure at the sides of the fan with 3 magnets on each side as shown here. Run the 4x4 inch tab under the handle and secure with 1 magnet. This is all there is to it. You can now pick up the fan and move it around wherever you want to use it. The filters will not fall out of the bottom because of the extended feet on the back that keeps it from tipping over. In addition to holding the filters in place, the fiberglass screen collects on its surface a lot of the big particles floating around in the air. It is easy to clean by taking the fan outside and using a 3 or a 4-inch paintbrush to dust it off. Now for a demonstration. It moves a lot of air through the filter. I hope this video has been helpful for you. Please like and subscribe and do all those things that the YouTubeopia people look for, so they will show this video to others. And now, in closing, I have for you the quotation of the video. It is from Mickey Rooney. You always pass failure on the way to success. Thank you, and have a good day.